cinnamon challenge.
Get in the picture.
How old are you? 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, 112.
Wait.
2. Okay.
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 Wait.
2 12-year-olds and 1 10-year-old.
Scoot over a little bit so they can
Cinnamon
see.
challenge.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
My first one.
And
Her second time. Her third time doing it. My second time. Her first time doing it. Okay.
ready? And go.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2,
2
3.
3.
Emma, not right there. Emma's having a heart attack. Man, that one was worse because I actually swallowed some. His sister. Yay, once again failed.